Have you ever wondered how to turn a plain block of wood into a stunning piece of art? Or just how mesmerizing woodworking can be? Today, we'll show you all that and more. Now, behold an artwork reaching new heights. This electric creation is known as Leuchtenberg figures, crafted through sliding spark discharges. The John Deere H425 harvester can cut logs up to 710 millimeters in diameter. Now that's what we call power. This craftsman's skills are impressive as he brings an underwater-themed toy to life. And it's not just any toy, it has moving parts. The Lucas 1000 company is famous for its portable sawmills. Even the basic model can handle logs up to 5 meters in length. A log debarker is essential to remove bark and debris. Here we have a model from Hanvi Machinery. This small skeleton is just a glimpse of the craftsman's skills. You'd never guess what it was made for. With a perfect camera angle, these wood shavings look just like noodles. A bear is about to emerge from a raw piece of wood. The artisan carefully uses both a chainsaw and a chisel. Shosugi-ban is a Japanese technique for wood treatment using fire, often applied to cedar, oak, and pine. One variation uses a torch at temperatures up to 500 degrees. It's satisfying to see machines handling the toughest, dirtiest tasks for you, especially with such efficiency. Admire this stunning 2.4-meter sycamore board. To make it even more striking, it's enhanced with an epoxy resin application. An ordinary bicycle wasn't enough for this man, so he set out to craft the perfect bike with his own hands. Bet you wouldn't have guessed it could be made of wood, would you? Chess pieces, tiny cups, or wooden sculptures. This machine can create anything, just like a 3D printer. Working with wood can demand a lot of effort and patience, but the result is worth it. With 7,500 volts, you can create impressive designs on wood. I'm sure the creator of this carved table has some great sculptors in his ancestry. These handmade furniture pieces can transform any space. Honestly, until now, I wouldn't have imagined wood could do something like this. What incredible craftsmanship! Soon, concrete and bricks might become things of the past. Engineers in Germany have developed micromodular wooden wall technology, as strong as its counterparts but much faster and more practical to build. Try to guess from the shape what this machine is carving right now. No, they aren't cutting boards, they're table tennis paddles. As always, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.